Welcome to your French class. In this class, we'll do few exercises of pronom I ou on. So let's start. Remplacez les noms soulignés avec le pronom I ou on. Now, we know this that pronom I is used for replacing a place and pronom on is used for replacing quantities. Okay, it means pronom I will be replaced whenever a verb is given after a, and pronom on will be used whenever a verb is given with the preposition the. Okay, so let's start. First sentence is Je mets les stylos dans la boîte. Now, dans la boîte is to be replaced and it means I put pens in the box. Now, if I replace dans la boîte, I'll use pronom I because it indicates a place. Where do I put my pen? So, where answers the place. Now, let's start. J'y mets les stylos. I am putting the pens there. Now, this pronom I is indicating there. Okay. Now, the next one is Elle ouvre son cahier sur la table. Now, it means she opens or she is opening her notebook on the table. Again, if you see sur la table is a place, where does she open her notebook? On the table. So, again, on the table or the place will be indicated by pronom I. Elle y ouvre son cahier. She opens her notebook there. Okay. And if you see, every time I have used my pronom before the verb. Okay. Maman place les fleurs dans le vase. That means mom places or mom is placing the flowers in the vase. So, this is to be replaced and it is again indicating a place. So, let's start. Means mom places or mom is placing the flowers there. Now the next one is Nous sommes allés au Vietnam. That means we went to Vietnam. Again it's a place. So we'll replace this with pronom I. Nous y sommes allés. That means we went there. Il ne laissera pas ses chaussures sous le lit. That means he will not leave his shoes under the bed. And sous le lit, it's a place. So, it will be replaced with pronom I. Il n'y laissera pas ses chaussures. That means he will not leave his shoes there. Now, the next one is Elles vont acheter des pommes. Now, des pommes is showing quantity, article partitive. It will be replaced with pronom on. Okay. Elles vont acheter des pommes. They are going to buy some apples. Elles vont en acheter. They are going to buy some or they are going to buy them. Now, this on is showing them for the quantity of the thing or some for the quantity of the thing. Now, the next one is Goulou a perdu une clé. That means Goulou has lost a key. Now, une clé is to be replaced. Again, we have got something in number, but this time we have exact number, not the quantity. But still, we will replace it with pronom on. Goulou a perdu une means Goulou lost one. Now we have a certain quantity, a certain number. So we always mention the certain number in the positive statement. Had it been a negative statement, we would not have mentioned une here. Now the next one is Tanu vient d'emprunter quelques cassettes. That means Tanu has just borrowed some cassettes. Quelques will remain same and will show this quantity using pronom on. Tanu vient d'en emprunter quelques means Tanu has just borrowed a few or some. Voulez-vous boire une tasse de thé? That means, do you want to drink a cup of tea? Now again we have quantity, so we'll use pronom en, and because it is une tasse, it will remain same because we have a certain number of cup. Now let's start. Voulez-vous en boire une tasse? Do you want to drink a cup of it? This en is indicating the thé. Allez acheter un kilo de farine. That means go buy a kilo of flour. Now, un kilo de farine is to be replaced and it is showing quantity, so we'll replace it. Allez en acheter un kilo. Now, on has replaced de farine and un kilo, the certain quantity, exact quantity will be written as it is. Now, the next statement is elle pense à ses examens. Now, there are certain verbs which are always written with preposition a, penser à, so we'll replace it with pronom I. Elle y pense, that means she thinks about it. Le vieil homme a besoin des lunettes. Now, des lunettes is to be replaced and we'll use pronom en. The old man needs glasses. Le vieil homme en a besoin. That means the old man needs them. Allons au cinéma. That means let's go to cinema. Now, au cinéma is a place. It will be replaced with pronom I. Allons-y. Let's go there. Now, the next one is il met des œufs dans le panier. That means he is putting or he puts some eggs in the basket. Now, dans le panier is a place where he is putting the eggs, so it will be replaced with pronom I. Il y met des œufs. He is putting some eggs there. Il y a une douzaine d'œufs dans le panier. That means there are a dozen eggs in the basket. We are replacing d'œuf with pronom en. Il y en a une douzaine dans le panier. That means there are a dozen in the basket. Elle n'a pas bu un bol de café noir. That means she did not drink a bowl of black coffee. Elle n'en a pas bu un bol. That means she did not drink a bowl. Now, we replaced de café noir using pronom en and un bowl will remain same. J'ai besoin de mon parapluie. That means I need my umbrella. Now, de mon parapluie is to be replaced and avoir besoin de is a special verb. We always use avoir besoin with preposition de. So, it is always changed with using pronom en. J'en ai besoin. I need it. Garfield se sert dans son baladeur pour se promener. That means Garfield uses his portable music player for walking around. Now, de son baladeur is to be replaced and here again we have got a special verb with preposition de. Garfield s'en sert pour se promener. Garfield uses it for walking. Gory se sert dans son baladeur quand elle se promène dans le jardin. That means Gauri uses her music player when she walks in the garden. Now, dans le jardin is to be replaced and it is a place. So, we'll use pronom I. Gauri se sert dans sa balade quand elle s'y promène. That means Gauri uses her music player when she walks there. Now the last one is amusez-vous à la piscine? Are you having fun in the swimming pool? Now, à la piscine is a place, so we'll replace it using pronom I. We'll write the pronom before the verb. Y amusez-vous? Are you having fun there? So this is how we place pronom I and en in sentences. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.